Hello you guys, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. You guys might be wondering, where the hell are you? I am at the Halloween cruise right now, or Halloweenkryssningen as we would say in Swedish. This video is actually a collaboration with Halloweenkryssningen. I will be here for 2 nights. We are going to party. I am super excited, and my first look is going to happen right now. I have had a meeting, I've had dinner, and now it's only time to pop some bubbles and do some makeup. So let's do this. Okay? Whoa, cheers. Cheers. I'm weak. Do you need help? Yes, please. What is this? Okay. Thank you. Yay! Cheers! Cheers! Woo! Let's get this party started. We changed the location. Now, let's do this time lapse. Now. Okay, the makeup is finally done, and here's my crew! Bathroom outfit check. This top is from Dollskill. This is from Dollskill. This is from Dollskill. And these are self-made. Alright, now let's go party. Me and Miranda is going to choose the best creative, best horror,
or best in character.
Okay, so we're gonna choose first place and second place on all of those categories, and we're in the jury. Okay, the jury is done. Here is best creative number 1, best creative number 2, best horror gore number 1, winner, and best horror 2, best in character 1, and best in character 2. Here is the wonderful jury and the announcer. And our work here is done. Yes. We have found the final results.
Yay!
And yeah, good job you guys. Yeah, good job.
Den som har vunnit andra pris är, ni kommer få se bilderna på screenen. Och den som känner igen sig på sig själv kommer upp.
It is the next day, and I just woke up. I think I've slept like 4 hours, and we're gonna go down to breakfast now. It was really fun the first day, and today we are going to Riga, and we can jump off there if we want to. We might do some spying because we need it. I'm actually not as tired as I thought that I would be, so that's good. Also, you guys can see here how the dyed eyebrows look. This side looks really good, this side not so much. You guys, I just saw the view. This looks so good. I think I'm in the front. Oh my god, I look horrible, but I think I'm in the front of the boat. Okay, here you guys go. I mean, how beautiful is this? Wow. It's dinner time. Cheers, you guys. Amazing. Oh my god, this looks so good. Guacamole. Thank you so much. Do you have ketchup? Du kan ta. First bite. So it is the last day, second day, and yeah, we're just gonna get ready. This is my outfit for the second day. I have this dress from Dollskill. I love Dollskill. And I'm green, not here and not on my legs, so I just put on some tights because I don't feel like painting my entire legs. Okay, now we're gonna go and see Miranda perform, and I'm so excited because it's like the thing that I am most excited about this trip. So let's go. Let's see Miranda.
Stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you.
Almost end of night.
The end is like 5 hours.
Okay, for you, yeah. What has been the best thing about this cruise?
Ooh, like everyone goes all in, all the crazy costumes,
I agree.
and also being able to perform.
Yeah,
So
you have been amazing. You have been my favorite part of this whole thing. Peace out.
Peace out.
In too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll.
In like 30 minutes, we're in Stockholm and I can go inland and the cruise is over. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I hope it wasn't like too messy. I know there were a lot of things to do on this boat, so it was like, I don't even know if I have the time to put all of it in this vlog, as I don't want it to be like 30 minutes long, then no one will watch it. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. All of the info, if you guys are interested in going like next year, are down below in the info box. Me and my friends have had such a great time. I'm so happy to spend these with Ellie and Polly. And if you love to party and love Halloween, this is the cruise for you. and I don't think it's that common in other countries to go on these cruises, but here in like the north in Sweden at least, a lot of people do, and it's just like a party boat and it's so much fun. And as I said yesterday, I think when I was with Miranda, it's just the best when people go all in with their Halloween looks. It's just so cool, and the performances, like Miranda was so good. I'm so in love with her. And yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check out Halloweenkryssningen. Their Instagram is also linked down below, so you guys can follow them and see if you want to go next year. They will update throughout the year, so you will get pumped for next year. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye guys.